Anna's getting me straight to work. A lot of chocolate involved with this recipe. Rocky Road.
Rocky Road is every kid's favourite, and now we're turning it into adults' favourites.
Nice.
So, guys, this one is a chiselled one. So we've got all the beautiful treats there, but I went to a wedding, saw it there, wanted to replicate it.
Nice one.
So 100 grams of coated honeycomb is going to go in here.
Okay.
And we're going to reserve some for the top. Then we've got candy popcorn. Again, there's 100 grams there. I knew you were going to do that. I knew it. Reserve it again because we're going to put it on top. Crisps. Salted crisps.
So, seems a little strange to me, but why not?
Well, it works. Chocolate, crisps, salt, all works. Marshmallow, straight in. Again, 100 grams.
Do you know what this is, Anna? It's a party in a bowl. It really is. Everything that you have at a party, you're bringing it all together. You know what? This would be a really nice gift at Christmas to give people, or even birthdays, or going to kids' parties. What a great thing to give.
And it's so easy.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. We've just put it all in. We're going to melt our chocolate, toss it, done. So I'm just going to toss it so it's just ready.
Wow.
There we go. Do we have to continue filming? Can I just take that and start eating? I love that. So over here we've got our milk chocolate. It's 600 grams.
Yep.
And what we want to do is we want to melt it down for a minute, stir it, and continue doing that for up to about 4 minutes or so, because we just want it melted to blood temperature.
Yeah, because everyone's got their microwave. It's actually a nice, easy way to melt chocolate. But if you wanted, you could also do it on a double boiler.
Oh, absolutely. But then you've got the kids that want to jump in and help.
Yep.
And they love to put it in the microwave and stir it and put it back in. So I think that's really good and safe as well.
All right, microwave it is. All right, that took about 1.5 minutes, burst of 30 seconds, and look at that. Liquid girl.
And don't forget, a glass bowl keeps in the heat as well. So that's why it's really important. So if it's a plastic bowl, the temperature's going to be a little bit different. So it could be an extra minute.
Nice.
But that's great. Keeps all the heat in.
Okay.
We're going to add in a bit of olive oil. You don't need to add all of it. It's about 1 tablespoon, and that thins out your chocolate.
Okay. There you go. It's how glossy it turns.
Oh, look at that. And over here I've got a baking tin, and I've already lined it with baking paper. So a little bit of oil spray. Yep. Line it with baking paper because it's easy again to pick it out.
Nice one.
So just there. So what I need is about 1/4 of your chocolate melted on the base.
Right. This is the fun part. Assembling.
That's about it.
Whoop, whoop, wait.
There we go. And then just move it around because we need a base for when we chop into it. So my hands are washed, and that's really important. So what you're going to do is you're going to drizzle all that beautiful chocolate into my bowl. I'm going to toss it all around.
Okay.
Look at that.
Ooh. Just gets better and better, this recipe.
So I'm going to toss that through. Again, wash your hands. It's really important. So open. Look at that. Oh.
Now, we've used 5 different toppings here, but you could use so many different lollies and chocolates and chippies.
And biscuits?
Yeah, biscuits.
As well.
Yeah, biscuits, dried fruit. We use plain crisp. What about salt and vinegar?
You love your salt and vinegar.
Is that taking it too far, though?
Never. What about chicken crisps? Can we put them as well?
That's taking it too far.
Okay, so I'm going to grab this and put it into my tin. And then just straight on top. Look at that.
And for this to set, does it need to go into the fridge, or do you leave it at room temperature?
Look, I did one yesterday and I left it at room temperature, and I left it for about an hour or so.
Yeah.
But then we're always in a rush and we always want to get straight into it. So put it into the fridge for about 15 minutes and it'll set.
Nice one. It's definitely a textural treat, isn't it? Everything's about the crunch.
Then you've got all these beautiful treats. What I want you to do is just sprinkle them all over.
Okay. So we'll start with some popcorn, some chocolate honeycomb.
So good. I so want to lick my fingers, but I won't. I'm going to wash my hands.
Oh, you're so polite. I would have definitely licked my fingers by now. Some more chippies?
Yep, a bit more chippies.
And our lollies.
Yep, and all of them.
All right, all we need to do now is wait for this to set, and then the fun part, the real fun part.
And the hard part is waiting and not eating it. That's it.
We will not. We will control ourselves.
Justine, look at that.
so good.
I think the finishing touches were the best, and that's what Justine did. She did a great job there.
Yeah, what can I say?
Let's demold it. So I'm going to lift it.
I'll help you.
There we go. Straight there. And then we push away the baking paper.
And what's this? Have you been into my dad's toolbox again?
Well, that actually is from the toolbox. So pull this away. There we go. Pick it up again.
Oh, got it.
There we go. And now the fun part. We've got a hammer and a chisel.
Yep.
And again, I saw this at a wedding, but that was with a block of chocolate, and now we've done it with a rocky road.
Right.
So you put it there. So it depends how much you want to eat. I won't eat about that much.
And this is why you do need to wait for it to set. So you can chisel away.
Look at that. Oh,
So good. You know what I like the idea of this is you bring it out as is and let everyone have a go at chiseling, the theatre of eating the food that you're making.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes, yeah.
And people love theatre, you know, and the fact that we're chiseling Rocky Road,
Yeah.
it's the best way.
I'm going for the chocolate chips. So good. Literally chocolate and chips.
And look at all that,
Salty.
all there. You
So
see the
good.
different layers, the marshmallow, the popcorn, the chips, the whole, I think I
great.
need a bit more.
It's like the gift that keeps on giving. I had a little bit of salty chip then you have some marshmallow, some raspberries. This is never ending. And the chocolate just is the glue to the whole thing. Good job, love it.
Great teamwork.